Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Today we will discuss about the floral characters of family Solanaceae. In the previous lectures, we have discussed about the vegetative characters of family Solanaceae, about their habit, habitat, size, distribution as well. So now we are discussing about its floral characters. So as usual, we are discussing its inflorescence, then flower, then calyx, corolla, androecium and gynoecium. So as you know that family Solanaceae, it has a fundibuliform flower. It is the key characters, which is known as the rotate corolla. So first of all, its inflorescence is cymose. Its flower is regular. Regular means complete, perfect. Bisexual. Bisexual means hermaphrodite, and it has both sex organs are found, and mostly the self-pollinations occur in them. Pentamerous. Penta means 5. Pedicellate. Pedicellate means pedicel is present. Hypogynous. Hypogynous means ovary superior. Calyx. Sepals are 5. They are green in color. It provides protection to the flowers. Gamosepalous. Gamo means fused and having rotate sepals. They are green in color and are persistent and hairy. It has smaller epidermal hairs on them. Next one is corolla. It has 5 petals and they are mostly yellow in color. It is also gamopetalous. Gamo means fused. Rotate corolla. रोटेट इन fundibuliform jarus की तरह, ठीक है. Funnel shape. Androecium. It has 5 stamens known as polyandria or polyandrous, and it is epipetalous. The stamen is epipetalous, above the epipetalous. Okay, and it is yellow in color. Basifixed. Filament is short while the anther is long. Next one is gynoecium. It has bicarpellary. Bi means 2 carpels, and syncarpus. Syncarpus means the carpels are fused with each other. We will write it in bracket in floral formula. Next one is the placentation. It has axial placentation. The fruit is succulent, berry and capsule. Berry fruit is found in the tomato and brinjal, while the capsule is found in capsicum annum, while succulent kind of fruit are also found in them. It is very hard in nature. Okay? Seed are numerous, infinite, बेशुमार होते हैं, and albuminous. Albumin, a kind of protein, is found in them. Okay? Floral formula. It represents that the flower is regular, perfect and complete. This is bisexual, the male reproductive organ and female reproductive organs. K represents the calyx. It has 5 sepals and we write it in bracket. Bracket means that they are united with each other. Gamosepalous. Corolla. It has 5 petals and it has rotate corolla, so we will write it in bracket as well. Gamopetalous. Androecium, there represents androecium. It has 5 stamens and they are free. Okay. Gynoecium, bicarpellary and they are syncarpous. So we will write it 2 in the bracket, and the ovary is superior, so we will write a line here. Okay. Next one is economic importance. As you know that this is one of the most important family, and their members are used as a vegetables. Potato, tomato, brinjal. These are the most important members of this family and mostly used as a vegetable. Especially the potato is used all over the world, and mostly in European countries, North America and South America, and Asia as well. Especially the potato chips. Okay. Some are ornamental. The ornamental members are also found in this family. For example, Sistrum nocturnum and Petunia alba. Sistrum nocturnum, रात की रानी. Okay. Some are medicinal. A huge number of alkaloids, flavonoids and terpenoids are obtained from their members. Especially Datura alba. Daturine is obtained from them. Okay. Drugs. The tobacco have nicotine and it is highly dangerous for health. Okay. So, nicotine is also alkaline in nature, but it is dangerous for our health. Research. A huge number of research is conducted on their phytochemicals, on their alkaloids, on their phytochemistry, taxonomy, psychology, genetics, and etc. etc. So, it was all about the economic importances, their reproductive characters, calyx, corolla, androecium, and gynoecium. Okay. Here, the ovary is superior. The ovary is oblique. Ovary oblique is one of the oblique ovary is the distinguishing character of this family. Its style is long, while the stigma is bifid and green in color. Okay. I think hopefully you will have enjoyed this lecture. So keep watching our YouTube channel, subscribe it, and give us your precious feedback as well, that how we can make improvement in our videos. Thank you so much.